Hello students, our next topic is construct the FA that accept the each string containing at most 2 A's. At most 2 A's. Please do understand now sigma is alphabet A comma B string. So at most in this string should be there at most. At most means at most how many A's? 2. At most 2. So it is at most, like I am writing, number of A's in the string is less than or equal to 2, nothing but 0A, 1A, 2A, nothing but maximum 2A only should be there. So that is nothing but 0A, nothing, no A's. It can have 1A, it can have a 2A. So how to construct here? So Q naught, look all this, look this all of, though no restriction for B, correct or not? 0A, nothing but what, epsilon. 0 A can accept, and if you have a single A also should accept, that is Q1 should be final. And if you have a 2 A's also, consecutively 2 A's, means 2 A's, that is Q2 also should accept it. No restriction for what? B. No restriction for B, but after 2A, if any A comes, what is happening? Q3 should be rejected. Are you getting my point? So like example, I'll take single B should accept or not. So in order to accept single B, Q naught must be final. So should accept, this is. Suppose BA, how many A's are there? 1 A should accept. BAA, how many A's are there? 2 A's are there. Accept. AA should accept. BA should accept. BA A is there. How many A's are there? 3 A's. Should reject or not? See, BA will reach here, for then BA, then next A will going to be Q3. It is going to be rejected. Then number of states in minimal FA equal to how many? 4 states we got. Number of states in minimal FA equal to 4. This is unreachable or dead state, we can understand. I hoping that you are getting. At most 2 A's, at most 2A means either 0A or 1A or 2A. Maximum 2 only will be there. Minimum 0 means nothing, no A. And there is no restriction for B, so I given a transition B also. So this is a FA for the given language. I hope you are getting. Please note down clearly. Thank you.